Buongiorno paesani, siamo a 447 sottoscritti a YouTube. We are at 447 subscribers on YouTube. Please subscribe so that a week from today, next Friday, I can do a live feed from our gala, which will be benefiting the Cedars Cancer Foundation and the Lighthouse, which is a center for children in palliative care. On that note, che è la parola catalogchisa che te voglio imparare? La parola è arrizzolare or allavangare. What does it mean? It means to fall. Dalla che c'è una rete mia. S'allavanga e s'arrizzola a ringhiera. In Italian we say è caduta la ringhiera. So that's the word for today. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Please share, and encourage your friends, your family, your neighbors, your co-workers, your clients to subscribe to the YouTube channel Italiani di Montreale Amici so that next week I can do my very first YouTube live feed directly from the gala. So on that note, have a beautiful day e ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo!